Unit 2,
Numbers.
Part 1, Cardinals.
The numbers used to count the objects in a group are called cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 99.
Exercise 1. Reading the numbers. Please read these numbers after me. 13, 18, 7, 20, 23, 31, 54, 39, 71, 14, 40, 58, 60, 67, 85, 97.
Exercise 2, Number Dictation. Listen to the following numbers and write them down. 14, 17, 21, 24, 26, 35, 49, 55, 98, 42, 66, 73, 88, 57.
Exercise 3. Ticking the numbers you hear. You will hear someone reading the numbers in the box. Some of them are correct and some are not. When the number is correct, put a tick by it. If it's wrong, put a cross. Look at the box below and listen to the tape. 5, 63, 99, 40, 27, 52, 36, 11, 74, 52, 93, 60, 19, 88, 12, 26, 35, 43, 78, 77, 49.
Exercise 4. Which number is it? Listen to Exercise 4 on the tape. When you hear a number that is in the box, draw a cross next to the number. One of the numbers in the box is not on the tape. Which number is it? Now listen to the following numbers. 6, 96, 49, 11, 13, 76, 19, 18, 57, 83, 24, 75, 64, 51, 25, 33, 22, 91. Exercise 5. The number practice.
Listen carefully and write the number in the blank. Write the numbers in figures, not words.
Number 1. The sweater costs £46.
Number 2. Tom bought 13 books yesterday.
Number 3. Mary is 26 years old.
Number 4. Janet was 40 minutes late.
Number 5. There are 29 students in my class.
Number 6. My grandfather has 18 grandchildren.
Number 7. Bill wears size 43.
Number 8. The temperature was 38 degrees Celsius yesterday.
Number 9. The train arrived at 12 o'clock.
Number 10. I got 87 on my English test.